Dear student, as I am discussing about the different type of chart, I have shown you this particular pattern of chart, how to make a range and with a particular range, plotting the range, measuring the square of it and to plot it. Now, today I am going to show you one particular format of the chart. See this. This is one pattern of the chart in Python Panda. So in this Python Panda chart, what you will find that I am using vectors. Okay, that means here in each of the previous files also, that means previous videos also, you have seen it that I have used the different type of arithmetical equations in the different ways. After that, I have used the means, medians, and all this thing. Now I am using the vectors, different pattern of vector. Vector means it is also a particular pattern of formulas that to be implemented in a program. Okay, so this is the particular formula that I have given. What is the formula? X value is what? Range up to 10. That means 1 to 10 the value of the x is range. This is known as a vector. Vector means some pattern of equations that you are implementing to produce a program. Vector scale, where you have learned about the standard deviations, mean, median, modes, all these different pattern of vector scales are there, where based on the x you are finding the y, where based on the y you are finding the x. So vector scales are there in class 9, 10. You have been taught, and even if in the class also I have taught you the different pattern of vectors, how to standard deviations of the vectors. So here I am doing, this is the vector specified, this particular thing is our vector declaration, where I am taking out the x and y vector, vector of x and vector of y is based on x. Okay, so this is the vectorizations has been done for it. Now let us run this particular program. First see the output, how the output it is showing to us. Okay, or what the output it is showing to us based on the particular vectorized scale that has been given to it. Yeah, it will take a little bit of time to consume the data. Yeah, it will take a little bit of time, I have said you, to consume the data. I am minimizing this one. Now this is my program and this is the output. See here, in each of the case what I have done, I have changes the plotting phase. For the first plot, what is the first plot? First plot x and y. This is the basic plot. Okay, based on this plot, what is the first plot has been plotted? X and y. Based on the level y equals to x into 2. That means x is stagnant, x will go 1 to 10 and y will run to the power of x. Okay, that means square of x. Next plotting phase y, x will be 1 to 10 and y will be 1 by 2 into y plus 7. Y value is at present nothing. So what will be the value of y? That means 7. That means this is the way it will go to. What will be the y? Y equals to 1 by 2 into x into. What is the y value? Y value is x into means x to the power of 2. X to the power of 2 plus 7. Okay, third phase is what? Third phase plot, you see x and y is what? Y plus 3. Y plus 3, what is the value of y? Y value is x to the power of 2 plus 3. Okay, next phase, y, x will be x 1 to 10 and y will be what? Y will be y minus 5. What is the value of y? X to the power of 2. So x to the power of 2 minus 5. Next value is what? Next value, x will be x. X is means 1 to 10 and y is what? Y minus 3. Y minus 3 is what is the value of y? Y value is x to the power of 2 minus what? 3. So this is the particular value phase based on which the graph has been plotted. You can see it that as I am moving the cursor, the length and the breadth, that means x and y axis, is changing. Okay, so as per the x and y axis is changing, different graph has a different format. Now what I said that to make it made, I have given the name as a colorful chart. What is the colorful chart? It is going that it is plotting an x level as an x axis and y level as an y axis. So grid, I have given the grid, what is alpha 0.6 as I have discussed it earlier. Okay, and line style is what? Dash dash. That means this type of line style, dot line style. Okay, capacity is what? Capacity is up to zero point 0.6. Now legend, you know, this is known as a legend, and as PNT